Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Swedbank app not working. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. The first thing that you want to do here is change a few things into your Swedbank mobile application. So in this case, go ahead and locate your Swedbank application here, and from here, press and hold on it. Now, once you've seen the section here, go to App Info, and from here, what you need to do is click on Clear Data. So once you click on Clear Data, just click on the Clear Cache option there, and from here, just click on OK. Now, once you've done that, you just need to open up Swedbank and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do here is see if there are any updates for Swedbank. So locate your Google Play Store here and search for Swedbank and see if there are any updates. So if there are any updates, make sure to install that and see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.